As life goes on, things gradually change without us even recognizing some of the changes. We look at ourselves in the mirror every day and think we look the same. But compare how you look today with a picture of yourself a year ago and the changes may be greater than you realized. I didn't realize how much dirt and grime had built up on our church sidewalk until I started pressure washing it the other day. But now that it's clean, I can see just how filthy it actually was. Often we don't realize how bad our sin is, or the filth and darkness that's been gradually building in our life until it's revealed to us by the Lord. Job 12:22 says, He reveals mysteries from the darkness and brings the deepest darkness into the light. As we read God's Word, His light begins to reveal just how dark our sin really is. But His light is able to overcome our darkness. Ephesians 5:13 says, Everything exposed by the light is made clear. Through Jesus, sin once unnoticed is now made clear to us. And as we continue to see more light and truth in God's Word, we begin to realize just how wretched we are and just how wonderful He is. Read God's Word today and let it do some cleaning in your heart. It may be dirtier than you think. I'm Pastor Shan, and that's your 1 Minute Message.